And here is the New Balance Women's Minimus SL golf shoe in gray, and has a white sole, breathable top with a mesh top, laces go down the side, have a reflective N on the sides as well as an NB logo on the back, and have great grip for golfing. So you can see it has the soft treads which you need to wear for your on any golf course nowadays, but has the good grip and good treads on the bottom. Also an NB logo as well. They've been great and comfortable for playing golf in. And let's see a little spin around in how they look and how do they feel.
Great, comfortable, flexible.
Very flexible as far as when you're walking or swinging.
Lightweight.
And they're lightweight and breathable as well. So anyway, highly recommend a great golf shoe if you're looking to get into a better shoe while you are out on the links.